Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make a club in Strava. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to strava.com and make sure to sign in into your account. And now, once you are here, you just have to simply go ahead and go to the dashboard over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to the clubs on the drop down. And after that, you should be able to see here, create a club in the top right corner of the screen. And from here, just simply provide a club name. So let's say I'm gonna go for help tutorials. And after that, just simply provide a location. So let's say I'm gonna go for Philippines as an example. And just simply provide the sport over here and you will have multiple options. And just simply provide the club type as well. So I'm gonna go for club. And after that, just simply provide the description over here. And now from here, guys, you can just simply create your club link. So pretty much it will be depending on you. So let's say my club link will be help tutorials. And after that, you will have an option to make your club invite only. So it will be depending on you as well. And once you are done, you can just simply click on create club. And from there, you should be able to create a club and just simply provide the necessary information like the profile, cover photo, add club event, invite athletes, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.